everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Ayla. So today's video is actually an unboxing of more accessories that I bought from my DJI OSMO Action Camera. But before that, actually, marami na akong nabili ng mga accessories. These are accessories that are already included nung binili ko to in this box. A charging cable. But because I bought 2 more extra batteries para hindi ako magka-problema pag nasa labas ako, meron ako mga extra batteries. So ito, meron ng cable. And I also bought charging para pwede akong mag-charge sabay-sabay ng 3 batteries. And then I also bought this, anong tawag dito? Nakalimutan ko na. But because I have a Zhiyun Smooth for Gimbal, I actually can also use this one para mas smooth ang aking pag-video. Yeah, kapag gumagala ako, I can still use my Zhiyun Smooth 4 and my DJI OSMO Action Camera together. I-attach, kailangan ko lang ito i-attach. Ayan. And then, I also bought these filters for my DJI OSMO Action. If you want to know more about these filters, you can actually Google it. I have 4 different filters, ND8, 32, 16, and the other one is ND4. So yeah, this will be very useful, lalo na kapag masyadong bright ang sun. So yeah, and the highlight of this video is actually the accessories that I really wanted to buy a long time ago, kaya lang medyo mahal. But dahil nagkaroon na ako ng tawag nito, gift nung Chinese New Year. So ayan, ito yung binili ko. So at least meron akong remembrance. Ayan, so I have now the PGYTech extension pole tripod that you can do all this stuff. Kita nyo ba? So I'll be unboxing that and we'll be trying it on. Meron na din akong strap holder. I really find that I really need this strap holder para kasi mahilig ako mag-backpack. So, yeah, attach ko na lang ng ganyan and I can still move my hands, diba? Yeah, I really like that. And very important is the hard shell protective case. Kasi mahilig akong ilagay lang agad siya sa bag without thinking na pwedeng magasgas yung lens. Kasi nga, meron naman siyang, ang tawag doon? Yung protective churva. So, pwedeng palitan lang yun. So, I need this. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. I'll try to be very quick with this. Matagal ko nang gustong bilhin to, kaya lang wala akong budget. So, ayan. Ano ba bang naman nito? Meron siyang pangpunas. Meron din siyang manual, of course. May karton. And this is the hard shell. So, talagang protected, para protected. Meron pa siyang holder, which is nice. So, you can just carry like that while your action cam is actually inside. So, let's try. Ayan. Ayan. Yay! Kahit na naka-attach yung tripod na ganyan, okay lang. I like it. So, at least meron na talagang mafe-feel ko ng safe ang aking DJI OSMO Action Cam. Kita nyo naman yung material, very smooth. It's very nice. Okay. So, the next one will be the strap holder. So, here's the strap holder. The material is actually very solid. It's not made of plastic or whatsoever. And the material of this thing is anti-slip. May anti-slip siya. Oh, ganun yung klase ng material siya. At ito naman ay metal. It's very solid. I really like it. And let's try it. I-mount natin yung action cam. This is actually how it looks like when it's mounted. So, pwede mo siyang isuot na nakaganyan. Pwede mo din siyang i-move na kung gusto mo ganyan siya. But usually, I will use it na ganito yung setup niya. So, you will be putting this thing on the strap like that. Tapos, ilalak mo siya na like this. And then, you can already put it on there sa strap or wherever it is, sa strap ng yung backpack, ganyan, and you just turn it on, then you just walk. I'm very excited na gamitin na ito. I really love it. I'm loving it so much. Ganyan. So ayan. And one more thing na ako ay very excited to show with you is itong tripod na to. Alright, so ito na ang ating tripod, which is amazing. So they have this screw for the para dito sa ating action camera. It's very easy to use. You just really need to look at the details, instructions. So ganito siya kahaba, right? I like it. I like that. And then meron din siyang holder ng iyong phone. So you can actually attach your phone. You can use your phone kasi diba, if you are familiar with the DJI OSMO Action Camera, you can use your phone as the screen actually kasi maliit lang ang kanyang screen para makita ang video while you are ang tawag doon, filming. But yeah, you can put your phone here and then it's very handy. Ganyan, mag-video ka na lang and then you have a bigger screen using your phone. And then it has this magnetic something. Sorry ha, hindi ako masyadong magaling mag-detail. But yeah, so this is the tripod. Makikita mo talaga na napaka niya, napaka steady. So ganyan siya. See, it's mahaba. It's long. You can adjust it however you want it. Like that. Wala kasi Andres kung dito may makita. So yeah, I'll try to put the camera on. So here's our new setup with my new tripod. I'm really loving it. So happy. Okay, so yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I just really wanted to share the little things that makes me happy. Wala na akong masabi, but I can only be thankful for the people who actually support. Okay guys, thank you for watching.
I just would like to add, one thing din nga pala na nagustuhan ko sa tripod / selfie stick na ito is because I can actually rotate this 360 degrees. And this quick release, hindi na siya kailangan anong tawag dun, screw. So it's very easy to release this and then mag-change ka ng setup, like you want it to put in my new backpack. Ang tawag doon, nakakalimutan ko yung mga pangalan ng mga accessories ko. Yeah, so it's very nice. I love it. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video and nakakuha kayo ng guide kung meron kayong DJI OSMO Action Camera, kung ano yung mga accessories na gusto nyong bilhin. There are many other accessories na gusto kong bilhin in the future, like the microphone and the light. But right now, I don't really need those accessories, so I don't want to spend unnecessary money kung hindi ko naman masyadong kailangan. But maybe one day, kapag nagkaroon na ulit ako ng tip or gift, ayan, baka bibili ulit ako ng additional accessories. So yeah, thank you very much. Sana na-enjoy nyo ang video na to. And I'll be having fun with my new setup. Bye-bye!